Changing video playback settings on YouTube TV lets you control quality, data usage, captions, and speed. Here's how to adjust everything for the best viewing experience. Start by opening YouTube TV on your smart TV, phone, or browser. Play any video. Playback settings only appear during active video playback. While the video is playing, open the video controls. Smart TV. Press up or OK on your remote. Mobile. Tap the screen. Browser. Hover your mouse over the video. Tap the Settings gear icon. Here you'll find several playback options. 1. Video quality, choose between Auto Low, 360p, Medium, 480p, HD, 720p/1080p, 4K, if available. 2. Playback speed options include 0.25x, 0.5x, Normal, 1.25x, 1.5x, 2x. 3. Captions, subtitles. Turn captions on/off and select available languages. 4. Audio track, choose alternate audio tracks if available. 5. Autoplay, turn autoplay on or off depending on your viewing preference. If any option is missing, update your YouTube TV app or try using the web version. Adjusting playback settings helps you get smoother streaming or better picture quality depending on your network. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.